I'm going to add this image in Altitude Pro theme, and I'm going to add this image in Remobile theme. But these two images are added using HTML in a text widget. So first, I'm going to get some code. Now I need the code I need. I've put a link under this video on YouTube, and it links to this page on my website, where if I scroll down, there's some code. Now first, I want the Altitude Pro code. I'm going to click View Raw. I'm going to copy this code. Now I've copied the code, and this is the site that I'm going to paste it into. So this is the area where the image wants to go, but there's no image there. So we're going to our dashboard, and I want to go to Appearance, Widgets, and I want to look for this Altitude Pro. And on Altitude Pro, the widget area I need is front page 2. It's got a text widget inside it. I'm going to delete the text in there and paste in the code I copied from my website. Now if you look here, it says delete this line and paste your image code in here. So I'll save this text widget and then I'll make the code. Now the easiest way to make code in WordPress, if you make a page or a post, but save it as a draft. Don't actually publish this page or post. I've always got a draft page or post that I use for making code. It's just an ordinary WordPress page or post. Now, I'm going to use the Visual tab. I'm going to click Add Media, and I want to add an image. Now, this is the image I want to add, but I don't want to write the code myself. That's why I'm using the WordPress editor. So, selected the image, scroll down, and I want a full size image, so I'm choosing that in the size box there. Insert into page. Now I need to click the text tab, and that gives me the code I need, and I can copy that code. I'm going to save the draft, and then I'm going to go back to my widgets, and here where it says delete this line and paste your code in here, I'm going to delete that line and paste the code I just made. Then I'm going to click Save. Now if we go back to the Altitude Pro page that we want to add the image to, refresh the page, and our image is added to the page. I'm going to do the same thing with another site which I've got Remobile set up. So I want to go to the page that I've linked to underneath this video, and that page has got some Remobile code as well. So I click View Raw. I'm going to copy that code, and I want to go back to the dashboard of my Remobile theme. I'm going to Appearance, Widgets, and in Remobile the image is in Home Intro widget area. So I'm opening up the text widget. I'm going to delete the code that I had in there. I'm going to paste in the code I've just copied from my website. It says again here, delete this line and paste your code in here. So I'll save that text widget, and then I'm going to make the code to make the image appear. So in this site as well, I've got a page that I use just for making code. So it's a draft page, uses a code editor. That's what I call the page. Now I'll use a visual editor, and I want to add media. I'm going to add an image. This is the image I want to add. Just going to scroll down here. I want the full size image. I'm going to insert it into the page. I click the text tab, and I copy that code. I'm going to go back to my widget area, and where it says delete this line and paste your image in here, I'm going to delete the whole line. It's got right from the forward slash to the forward slash, and paste in the code we've just made. Click Save. And now if we look at our Remobile page, there was no image there before. We refresh the page, there's the image. Now I know this can get confusing, so I made some slides. If you get stuck, just stop and read the slides. Now this is what we did using the page editor to make the code. These are where the widget areas are in Altitude Pro and Remobile. Got front page 2 widget area and home intro widget area. This is the code we used in Altitude Pro, and that's the line that we deleted this line and pasted the line of code that we made in the WordPress editor in there, and that's the one we use with Remobile. The image for Altitude Pro is 2280 pixels, 2280 pixels by 800, and the image in the Remobile theme is 1080 by 1387. You might think this is too big. It's not. That's the right size you need. We're back to the beginning again. Well, thanks for watching and bye for now.